Hey guys, my name is Vicky and this is Bailey the Cavapoo. In today's video we take Bailey for a beach day down in Lytham, St Anne's, and we hope that you enjoy watching him.
A happy tale returns.
Oh, look how cute you look. Bailey, would you like to go to the beach? Are we going to have a beach day? We're going to take you out. We're going to go to a place called Lytham and you're going to have a really fun time on the beach. Yeah. Are we going on a beach day? Are we going on a beach day? Yeah. Okay, so we haven't actually made it to the beach yet and my dad's on the phone, but I just had to get a video because look how cute he is. Bailey, look this way. Oh, hi cutie pie. Oh, he just looks so sweet. It should be a really nice day. The weather's looking good. It's probably about an hour and a half. Oh, hi again. So we just arrived at Lytham now. You can see the windmill. We're just going to try and find somewhere to park nearby. Hopefully it won't be too difficult. Ooh. Okay, so we just found this really nice park to park in.
So we've just come into Fab Home Interiors just for a bit of a look around.
Remember Bailey? Yourself in the mirror. Really? In a furniture shop? Oh.
I spy a cutie. Hey baby.
Oh. Looks so cute. Oh gosh.
He made me jump.
What are you doing? Let's go, Belle. Go, Mum. Lytham's just such a nice place. I think it's like some sort of bridal shop. Look at that cute boy. Baby. Just flowers everywhere. It's so nice.
Lunch by the front. Really nice. What do you think, Belle? Oh, just look at Bailey's tail wagging watching the other dogs. So cute.
Hello, Bailey. We in Lytham? Do you like it? Do you like it? Look how cute you are. Straight into the water. Oh, what do you like, Bale? Come on.
Just look at that bounding. Oh. So he walks to the front and he's straight in the water. So we brought Bailey's tennis ball and it's time for a bit of fetch. Oh my god, he's so fast. Come on, Bailey.
Bailey! Oh, so Bailey's been really good and patient waiting for the ball. He looks so cute, doesn't he? My mum's throwing it. Come on. Oh, good boy, Bailey. Bring it back. Oh, gosh. Look how fast he's running. I know, he's so quick. Are you ready? He just headed it. Good boy.
Where are you? He's got his head stuck in the railings. Come here. Let his head go through the railings.
Oh, how cute.
Oh, just a good boy enjoying some ice cream at the beach. Aren't you, Bailey?
Beach Bailey. Oh, you like it, Bale? You having a beach day? Oh, I'm filming him get on the edge. Oh.
So just giving him a drink before we head down to the next beach at St Anne's.
You feeling better, Bailey? Got some.
Good boy. It's a hot day, isn't it? Oh, good boy.
Bailey, we're at the beach.
So we just drove about 10 minutes down the road and now we're at the beach with our sand dunes. Bailey, you happy?
It's going to be well.
Oh, look at you. Baby boy. Looks like Bailey's made a beach friend. Oh. Bailey's my friend. Bailey! Bailey! Come on! Come on, Bailey! He's made a friend instead. Bailey, come on!
Who's a good boy?
Oh, you made a friend? Oh, how sweet! What are you doing, Bailey? I don't want him to put a paw on him though, because then he'll be like very wet and dirty. Good boy! Having a paddle. There. You having a paddle, Bailey boy? Hmm? You having a paddle? Oh, look how cute you are. Look how cute you are. You enjoying the beach? Very wet as well. Sun's right behind him, but he looks so skinny after he's had his haircut. Ooh! Ooh! Oh gosh. Another friend. A bit bigger than Bailey. Yeah, let him off his lead. It's sprinting in. Want to go for a swim? No? Oh, bye. Oh, you in the water? You in the water? You go for a swim? Bailey? Come here. Back to mum. You get in the water? You gonna go for a swim? Okay. Go on, go have a swim. Good boy. You like the water? Bales, look how soggy you are. Look at the way his little feet go in the water. Oh, it's so cute. Bailey, what are you doing? You enjoying yourself? Hmm? You enjoying yourself? Oh, your friends come to find you. Oh. Oh, how sweet. Oh. Oh.
Your mum's coming.
Oh, your friends came for you. I think it's nearly home time now. He's definitely tired. Aren't you, Bale? Thirsty, Bailey? So having another refuel before home, and then I think it's back to the car. Good boy. The more eagle-eyed of you may notice that Bailey's looking a bit more bald at the moment, looking a bit more trim. He had his summer haircut. So this is what he looks like now, which is good for when it's hot and like when we go to the beach and stuff. It makes it a lot easier for grooming and keeping him clean and cool. Just look at your little face. Look how cute you are. He's just moved, so the island looks a little bit messy behind, but that's okay. Look at your cute little face. I'll show you what he looks like with long hair. Okay, so if you haven't seen Bailey before, this is a picture of him with his long hair, and you can see he's a fluffy boy. Hey guys, we hope that you enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, feel free to leave a like and press subscribe if you're new to see more videos of Bailey in the future. We have an upcoming Q&A video, so if there's anything you want to know about owning a Cavapoo, our experience with Bailey, or finding a pup, then leave a comment down below or in the previous video and we'll try and include it. Thanks guys, we'll see you soon.